Okay, here we have some different questions. It says complete using the less than, greater than, or equal sign. So remember, the crocodile, if we look at the arrow, the crocodile's mouth, so if we look at this one here, it's eating this way. So, and it always eats the biggest number. So, if we look at the first one, we'll put in one of these signs in here. So here we have 2 times 5, 2 groups of 5. So if we look here, we have one group of 5, 2 groups of 5. So the first one is equal. 3 lots of 4. Remember, we don't know our 4 times tables. If you wanted to have a go at drawing this, then you could do 3 groups of 4. Remember, lots of can be is the same as times. Some of us know our 3 times tables, and remember we can use our fingers to help. So if we swap that and did 4 lots of 3, we've got 3, 6, 9, 12. So this answer here is 12. And we could write the answer there, 12, so we know what the answer is. Here we have 2 groups of 5, 5, 10, 12, 10. This is the largest number, so the crocodile is going to eat this number here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one group of 6. Or you could use it as 2 groups of 3, just to help you break down that representation there. And here we have 3 multiplied by 3, 3 times 3, 3, 6, 9. This is the largest number, so the crocodile is going to eat this number here. Here we have a table. So we've got the picture, multiplication, and the sentence. We've got 5, 10, 15. There's 3 groups of 5. So we've got 3 lots of 5 is equal to 15. Here we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 4. We've got the group here, 3 lots of 4 is equal to 12. So that means that 4 lots of, we can swap that lots of for a times sign. So we've got 3 times 4. We've got 2 times 5, 2 groups of 5. So it'll be 2 lots of 5 is equal to 10. We've got here 2 lots of 10 is equal to 20. We can just swap that lots of and put a times sign there, so it's 2 times 10. Here we have 3 times 6, so we can swap that times for the lots of. 3 lots of 6. We might not know our 6 times tables. We can swap that around for a 6 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And finally, we have a reasoning question. So the reasoning is asking you to give an explanation as to why you have chosen that answer. So here we have 5 times 3 is the same as 5 lots of 3. It's true because remember this time sign is the same as lots of, so we can swap those and take the lots of out and put times there. So it's true because 5 times 3 is the same as 5 lots of 3 of 3 5s. 5 times 3 is 15 and 5 lots of 3 is also 15. So we've had a look through a variety of questions. Can you now have a go at the worksheets? You don't need to print them out. If you can, great. If you can't, that's absolutely fine. Just work through what you can. You don't have to do all of them, just try and do bits of them depending on how easy or difficult you find them.